It happens kind of concurrently.
Got it.
And it's very important because it doesn't exist in a vacuum. You have to stay through the end because when you see this thing, through those post-credit scenes, there's some mind-blowing stuff in there that kind of ties into Infinity War.
So now we know it's confirmed that Ant-Man and the Wasp will have a post-credits teaser that ties directly into Avengers 4. And today I'm going to be talking about the post-credits scene from Ant-Man and the Wasp. This is from a leak on the internet, and it may not be true, but be careful for spoilers. I'm also going to be talking about how it ties into Avengers 4. Now we know for sure that Hope Van Dyne and Scott Lang are going into the quantum realm as shown in the trailers. They're going there to save Janet Van Dyne.
My mother disappeared into the quantum realm.
We're gonna bring her back.
So let's go into what the leak says first of all, and I'm warning you one last time, spoiler alert! So don't be angry with me when this spoils the movie for you. The leak says that at the end of Ant-Man and the Wasp, they figured out how to shrink the portal technology which allows them to travel in and out of the quantum realm safely. However, the portal is operated from outside the quantum realm in this portal. So anyway, they have shrunk this portal technology down, and it's in the back of Luis's van. Scott Lang goes into the quantum realm to retrieve some kind of quantum particles, as it were, in a canister. So Scott Lang goes into the portal and into the quantum realm. No doubt he will be going in and will be having this device on his suit, the very same device that we saw in the leaked Avengers 4 set photos that Captain America and Iron Man were also wearing. So this is no doubt to be able to tether someone who is traveling through the quantum realm so that they don't get lost, and there is a connection between them and the portal which will help them to get out of the quantum realm. Paul Rudd said in an interview that the events of Ant-Man and the Wasp happened concurrently with the events of Infinity War. Then after retrieving the quantum particles, he tries to communicate with Hope, Janet and Hank to get him out of the quantum realm, but he cannot communicate with them because they've all turned to dust because Thanos has snapped his fingers. So it appears that Scott Lang's Ant-Man will be stuck in the quantum realm when Avengers 4 picks up, and that perhaps Tony Stark is the only person that will be able to bring him back using the portal. It's possible that Tony will then modify the quantum portal for time travel purposes somehow, and it's also likely that it'll take many years for Tony to figure out how to bring Ant-Man back from the quantum realm. Possibly 5 years or so, which is the rumored time jump between Avengers Infinity War and Avengers 4. This time jump would also explain why Tony looks older and Ant-Man looks the same age. That's because in the quantum realm, space and time do not exist. So once Tony gets Ant-Man back, they will use the modified quantum realm portal to travel through time and to enlist the help of Loki to keep the Infinity Stones from Thanos. So let's dive into the quantum realm and time travel. There is precedence for the quantum realm being used for time travel in the comics. However, in the comics, the quantum realm is actually known as the Microverse, and it's only called the quantum realm because Marvel doesn't own the film rights to the Microverse. That's because the Microverse is a concept from the comics The Micronauts, and the Micronauts first started out as a toy line, which was made by Mego, not Lego, Mego, and was then bought by Hasbro. And apparently Hasbro has a Micronauts movie in development for release in 2020. So let's understand the quantum realm or the Microverse and go back to the comics and understand its origins. Firstly, the Microverse is a parallel universe that can be accessed by shrinking down, as we've also seen in the movies. The Microverse was created by Prince Wayfinder, awesome name, who was an explorer and a time traveler from 15,000 years in the future. He discovered what is known as the Star in the Sword, and he used the sword to create the Microverse, and in so doing, Prince Wayfinder became one with the Enigma Force. Now, the Enigma Force is hard to understand, that's why it's called an enigma, but this force has the power to send time travelers back and forth through time to counter possible threats to the universe. And obviously, it's facing its biggest threat yet in the form of Thanos. So in the first Ant-Man, Hank Pym said that the quantum realm exists outside of time and space, and I think it's possible that Scott Lang will be trapped inside the quantum realm or the Microverse, and I think that they will utilize the power of the Enigma Force, or as they may refer to it in the movies, the quantum particles, to be able to travel through time. And personally, I can't wait to see Ant-Man and the Wasp on Friday and find out for sure what's happening. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and then share it. And please subscribe to Crafty Media to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our new Marvel content. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers for now.